The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go up to the instructions and you're going to add the log base 12 of 12 equals 1. Notice that the base is 12. So in the top section, you're going to add the log base 12 of 12 equals 1. What do you think you're going to add in the bottom section of your worksheet?
Log base 5 of 5 equals 1.
Perfect. Log base 5 of 5, because sometimes you have to use that in order to solve the question. And this is one of those such times. So you're going to find a way to break up 36, not exponentially, but by using multiplication or division, okay? So 36, is it not the same as the log base 12 of 12 times 3?
Yes.
Right? Well, what do you do with multiplication if you're expanding? What does multiplication on your rule sheet go to?
It goes to addition.
Addition. So this can be written as log base 12 of 12 plus log base 12 of 3. Got it? They won't be exact, so I don't want you to use your calculator because you won't get the right answer. So when you're doing log base 12 of 12 plus log base 12 of 3, you go up to your instructions and you have added log base 12 of 12 equals 1 because the exponent I need to put on a 12 to get 12 is 1, right? And then the log base 12 of 3 is 0.4421. You add those two together and you get your answer. So that's the answer I want. I want to see your work. So we've got division, right? Division turns to subtraction. But we've got to break these down. We still have the same information. Log base 12 of 12 is 1. Log base 12 of 3 is 0.4421. And log base 12 of 7 is 0.7831, right? Well, we know that 36 is, break it down first, 3 times 12. We found 2 of those over 7. Yeah?
All right.
So anybody upstairs is going to be a plus. Anybody downstairs is going to be a minus. So this is log base 12 of 3 plus log base 12 of 12 minus log base 12 of 7, because the 7 is downstairs. If there was another number downstairs, then it would be minus that too, okay?
So we just, so if it was 0.4421.
So log base 12 of 3 is 0.4421 plus 1, log base 12 of 12, minus 0.7831. So you just put all that in your calculator and tell me what you get. So we get 0.6590. Now I'm going to do something else. So the bottom part of your worksheet has log base 5 of 3 equals 0.6826. Log base 5 of 4 equals 0.8614. And then we're going to add log base 5 of 5 equals 1. And we have log number 16 is log base 5 of 1.3.
Just not repeating?
It is repeating. We're doing number 16. So we're going to convert that to a decimal, to a fraction, and we get 4/3, correct?
Yes.
Well, now you can do it because you've got a 3 and a 4, right? So that would be log base 5 of 4. Division is minus log base 5 of 3. See how easy it is now? And that gives you 0.8614 minus 0.6826. And I think that's 0.1788 maybe?